Hey y'all, happy Sunday. Just leaving church. Church was really good today. Our message today came from 2 Corinthians 5:17, and just put it on the bench, Tess. Sit it on the bench. My changed situation changed me. And he says that everybody has the opportunity to change. And you don't have to change before you come to Christ. Just come as you are. You're going to get confirmation of your change, and you're going to have evidence of your change. And anytime a person change, when God changed you, people are going to know it by the way you act, the things you do, the things you say. And I stopped over my sister's house. I didn't know my nephew then was here. Hey! Hey there! That's Monasia? That's Danielle? Girl, you look like a child. All right now. Yes, church was really, really, really good. Like I'm sitting low. Church was really, really good today, though, y'all. I'm just telling y'all. I used to be one that used to say it don't take church. Church don't save you, but it sure strengthens you. I'm telling y'all, you have a chance. Don't make excuses. Just get up and go. I remember I had seen this, and if I could find it, I'm gonna share it. And it was this man, he said, don't let your next ride to church be in a hearse. Just get up and come. You know, we go everywhere else we want to go. We go sit in the nail shop and the beauty salon. Go to church sometimes. You go make your inside, you go and prepare your outside. Go prepare your inside. It makes you feel good. I promise you. I promise you. Sure makes me feel good. I guess I may as well go ahead and go this way, huh? And it just gives me so much strength. It's like when I'm going through things and I think about the things God has already brought me through, brought me to. Whew. I can't help but shout. Ooh, Lord have mercy. If y'all ain't heard my testimony, I am going to do a story. I say little bits and pieces, but I'm actually going to give my testimony. For a long time, it's something I wouldn't share, kind of a little bit out of embarrassment, but I'm like, God speaking and like, girl, look at all the things, all of the opportunities you've had, all of the obstacles you've overcome, all of the, so hey. Anyway, y'all, I just want to come on and say, y'all, my hair came out a little better today, didn't it? Y'all can't really see it. But I don't know if the stuff I had been using was about my hair. I remember I told y'all it was thinning. I had started using some new stuff, so it might have been it, but it sure makes it look good. All right, y'all, I ain't gonna hold y'all. Be blessed. Make someone smile. If you have an opportunity to go fellowship somewhere, do it. I promise you it's gonna make you feel better. Once you get into a real intimate relationship with God, your life would never be the same. Y'all, I don't even look at situations the same. When I hear bad news, know what I immediately think? What is the lesson? What is God trying to teach us? That's how I look at things. I don't look at it as a permanent situation for me. Only thing I find permanent that has happened to me is when I lost death and the loss of family members. But anything else that's happened is only another chapter in my story. All right, y'all, I love everybody, irregardless to who you are. I'm going to share a little thing that Rev said too today in his sermon. I'm going to share that with y'all. But anyway, y'all, be blessed. It's MLK Day tomorrow. If you get an opportunity, my son has been going ever since he's been young. Speak, Manny. Y'all know he don't like to say much. One of my church members was like, "Where your son?" I said, "He over there." She said, "Girl, he's looking like a man." I said, "He is a man." All right, y'all. Love everybody, but take care. Bye.